Let's go to Delhi now. We have Delhi Capitals here. Vanshaj is very excited, I am guessing. Rishabh Pant is their captain this year because Shreyas Iyer is going to miss the entire IPL due to that shoulder dislocation. Uh, Prithvi Shaw is in red hot form. Steve Smith they have added. Sam Billings they have added. Tom Curran they have added. Yes, take it away. Whoever wants to start.
Once you start because this is your favorite
Okay.
team.
Okay, I would like to be neutral this time because I got the news this morning. There is a huge blow. I think yes, there is a huge blow. I got the news that South African players are not going to play the first few opening matches. That can affect yes Mumbai Indians to some extent, considering they have Quinton de Kock, and CSK to some extent if they take Lungi and Giddy. But coming to Delhi Capitals, their two frontline bowlers are Kagiso Rabada and Andres Nokia themselves. So a huge blow, I would say, because they both were the carriers of the bowling attack. But okay, never mind. Con- Considering of the batting lineup, yes, they have plenty of options, and yes, a huge blow of Shreyas Iyer also. That was a big heartbreak for me as a fan because I was yearning to see him win the Orange Cap this season or win the trophy this season, for instance. Not gonna get carried away more, but yes, and considering the captaincy of Rishabh Pant, there has been a huge debate over that. From DC had many experienced, seasoned campaigners for captains. I won't deny, be it Rahane, be it Ashwin, be it Steve Smith, for that instance, who had led RPS to the finals in 2017. So selecting Rishabh Pant over them, I was a bit skeptical. I am a bit skeptical still now. But if someone asked me to look at the brighter side, yes, Rishabh Pant has had some experience, and this new responsibility, can bring out two sides. Either he will succumb to the pressure, or either he will take this opportunity and we can see a new side of Rishabh Pant.
Okay.
So, and I hope this latter one happens. And we have seen Shreyas Iyer, take the reins of captaincy from Gautam Gambhir at a very young age, and he was successful. And I will be looking forward to see how Rishabh Pant does, considering कि हमारे जो दो फ्रंटलाइन bowlers है Rabada and Nokia, they will be absent from the first few opening matches. So
Yes,
there is a
so-
big headache कि उनके जगह कौन आएगा? Because even if Chris,
I don't see
exactly.
it. I don't quite see it as an headache because you have Tom Curran, you have brought him, so you will play him. You have Marcus
Exactly.
Stoinis and you have Ishan Sharma and Umesh Yadav, both
Chris
of
Vokes.
them playing for him. Yeah, Chris Vokes is there,
Chris
but you
Vokes.
also have Ishan Sharma and Umesh Yadav, two seasoned campaigners in your side. So that is one
No
thing.
doubt about that.
And Rishabh Pant के बारे में there is one thing that it is their future. He is their future leader. So if anyone was going to take the captaincy from Shreyas Iyer and take it ahead, it had to be Rishabh Pant, in
Pant.
my opinion, because they will retain him in the bigger auction also going into next year's IPL. So yeah, yes, SSP, what are your analysis?
I'm just going to say one line about Rishabh Pant. I'm going to take you back to 2016-17 Ranji Trophy. There's some issue with the DDCA. Gautam Gambhir is sacked. A 19-year-old Rishabh Pant is made the
Made a
captain.
captain, yes.
Delhi win 3, lose 2. Now you understand what Rishabh Pant is. He has the talent. You have to give him push. He can be a very good leader, and that Delhi team also had excellent players. That team had Ishan Sharma in it. That team had Amit Mishra for the same fact. Still, this guy, handled everybody very nicely. One thing which concerns me is if any of the frontline batsmen get injured. If for the fact Rahane will be playing at 3, Rahane gets injured, who is your Indian backup? Okay, now I see there's a Vishnu Vinod, there's a Reepal Patel, there is Lalit Yadav. These names are good. Vishnu Vinod has done fantastic for Kerala. Ripple Patel has done very good for Gujarat alongside Akshar Patel. Lalit Yadav, brilliant all rounder for Delhi. But does it instill confidence in you? That's one thing which doesn't make me happy. But yes, if Prithvi Shaw, Rishabh Pant, Shikhar Dhawan, Ajinkya Rahane, Shimran Hetmyer, Marcus Stoinis, Ashwin Patel, Akshar Patel go Bazunga and Kaboom, this would be Delhi Capitals here, and I feel Delhi Capital have a very balanced side. Just for one matter, if anybody gets injured, that's another problem. But yes, they have excellent batsmen, they have good all rounders, and the bowlers, if you see, brilliant backups. There's Lukman Meriwala from Baroda, Manimaran Siddharth, Avesh Khan, brilliant. When I see these three names, I feel extremely happy. So yes, settled team will do well.
Okay. One thing that I can't resist from asking you right now, Yashasvi, is the batting order that you mentioned does not have Steve Smith. So are you not
Yes.
going to play him? Are you dropping him?
Uh, yes, I would drop him.
So
I would
he won't
actually drop.
be your replacement for Shreyas Iyer this year.
No, he won't be my replacement for Shreyas Iyer because I trust more in Ajinkya Rahane. Because the reason why I'm saying this, Ajinkya Rahane has played in this squad.
Yeah,
Ajinkya Rahane knows how the squad wants him to perform. And for that fact of matter, Rishabh Pant and Simran Hetmaya will step up and they'll play well.
I had a question.
Yeah.
What if Steve Smith and Rahane both play in the game and Shimron Hetmeyer is benched for a while? Steve Smith at 3 and Rahane at 4.
Steve Smith at 3, Rahane at 4, Pant at 5. Now, this position at 6 will be a void for Delhi Capitals. Who will
Stoinis.
be Stoinis? If you put at no, I'm going to give you another situation. You put Stoinis at 6, what happens? Stoinis is not a very good player at 6. Stoinis has always in T20 had played 5 or up. And for this fact of matter, you'll have to play Chris Wokes then.
yeah,
Let's see, there are a lot of permutations and combinations which goes on, but I feel if you have to play a team, if you want to be on the front foot from ball one of this IPL, you might have to drop Steve Smith. Sam Billings doesn't make my 11 because he's a proper replacement for Rishabh Pant.
yeah,
Same thing goes with Vishnu Vinod, and I hope okay, let me be a little less biased. It would be nice if Steve Smith plays, but as of now, I don't see him playing. I might see, as you said, Rabada Notia might miss the first 2 games. So Chris Wokes, Marcus Stoinis, Tom Curran, and Shimran Hetmaya should play, but I know this won't happen. It would be Steve Smith, Shimran Hetmaya, Kagiso Rabada. Steve Smith, Marcus Stoinis, Kagiso Rabada, and Anish Notia maybe.
yeah, right. Okay, so Yashasvi already told us that this might be their year. So you are hoping that they'll qualify. You are sure that they'll qualify, right?
Yeah, I'm quite sure. I'm quite sure. Until and unless something very drastic happens, even Rishabh Pant, Prithvi Shaw, Shikhar Dhawan, one of these people get injured, then it would be then there would be a lot of problem.
Yeah, right. And yes, I think they'll qualify this year as well. They have got a very good squad. They have retained the majority of their last year. They have retained the entire 11 from their last year's squad.